Hello everyone, today I will show you how to enable Gemini's app integrations in settings. And here's how it's done. On the web, gemini.google.com. Visit gemini.google.com and sign in. Open the sidebar menu, three-line icon if needed. Go to Settings, Apps. Browse the available Gemini apps like Maps, YouTube, Google Workspace, WhatsApp, Phone, Utilities, Spotify, and more, and toggle on the ones you want. Important step: enable Gemini Apps activity. Most apps require Gemini Apps activity to be on to function. Via web, visit myactivity.google.com under Gemini settings. The Verge Tech Radar. This lets Gemini access relevant services like Maps for location or Gmail for workspace tasks to fulfill your requests. And that is everything to know about how to enable Gemini's app integrations in settings. Before we end, may I humbly ask you a favor? Please do like, share, and subscribe to our channel. This means the world to us. Thank you so much for watching. We hope to see you in our next video.